Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is bashful. It's pronounced bashful, and it's spelt B-A-S-H-F-U-L. Think bash and then full, spelt with only one L. Bashful means shy and reluctant to draw attention to oneself. For example, if you said the student gave a bashful smile as the teacher loudly complimented his work, it would mean he gave a shy, almost embarrassed smile. The word bashful originated from the Old English word abash, with the suffix full. Abash is a verb meaning to make someone feel embarrassed, disconcerted, or ashamed, and the suffix full means full of or characterized by. So by adding these together, we get full of embarrassment or shame. This is pretty close to the modern meaning of bashful. Did you know that in Disney's Snow White, one of the 7 dwarves is named Bashful? He is prone to blushing and hiding behind his beard when feeling embarrassed. This is because he's always feeling bashful. If you forget the meaning of this word, think back to the shy dwarf in Snow White to help you remember. Bashful is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. It is mostly people who are described as bashful. For example, you could say, the bashful man turned red with embarrassment, if he was asking a question perhaps in a shy manner. Bashful is defined in the dictionary as often feeling uncomfortable with other people and easily embarrassed. Bashful synonyms include shy, reserved, self-conscious, nervous, insecure, and embarrassed. Antonyms include aggressive, bold, forward, confident, and unabashed. See if you can notice anyone acting in a bashful manner today. If it is a sibling or a friend at school, encourage them not to be bashful. Why not try inviting them to play with you? Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.